If you're looking to lose weight, boost energy, and improve your overall health, reducing your intake of carbohydrates is key. Processed foods packed with refined sugars and carbs can trigger inflammation and cause your liver to store excess fat. However, swapping these unhealthy options for the right foods can help your body burn fat more efficiently. Here's an up-to-date list of some of the healthiest foods with almost zero carbs or sugars. 1. Red meat. For high-quality protein without any carbs or sugars, choose grass-fed beef, lamb, venison, or organ meats like liver. These proteins are packed with iron and B12, essential for muscle growth, fat burning, and energy production. Additionally, beef contains CLA, a fatty acid that supports metabolism. 2. Arugula. Organic arugula is a nutrient powerhouse and one of the best non-starchy vegetables. Unlike other greens, arugula is high in nitrates, which improve blood circulation and enhance energy levels, perfect for those following a low-carb diet. It's also loaded with folate, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium, all of which support metabolism. Use it as a salad base or sauté it lightly in butter for a nutritious side. 3. Eggs contain all essential nutrients for sustaining life, with virtually no carbs. They help stabilize blood sugar and keep you energized throughout the day. The yolks provide choline and lutein, which assist with liver function and fat metabolism. Aim for 2 to 4 pasture-raised eggs daily to regulate blood sugar and reduce cravings for processed foods. 4. Chia seeds. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds mixed with water, yogurt, or almond milk make for a healthy, low-carb breakfast. Despite their small size, chia seeds are loaded with plant-based protein and fiber, which help with digestion and keeping you full longer. Their soluble fiber content also supports gut health and smooth digestion. 5. Cruciferous vegetables. Replace high-carb foods like potatoes and rice with nutrient-dense vegetables such as cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These greens are rich in phytonutrients and sulfur compounds that aid liver detoxification. They also supply potassium and magnesium, 2 vital minerals that reduce insulin resistance and support metabolism. 6. Butter. Grass-fed butter is a top source of retinol, the active form of vitamin A, which supports skin, eye, and hair health. Despite concerns about cholesterol, your body actually needs it to produce key hormones like testosterone and estrogen, which regulate metabolism. Swap processed oils for real butter when cooking, as it also helps with bile production and fat digestion. 7. Dairy products. Dairy products such as full-fat Greek yogurt and kefir are excellent choices for a low-carb diet. Greek yogurt provides high-quality protein for muscle maintenance, while kefir contains probiotics that improve digestion and gut health. Opt for grass-fed cheese varieties like cheddar, mozzarella, camembert, brie, parmesan, and goat cheese, which are packed with vitamins A, D, E, K, and K2, along with healthy fats and proteins that enhance brain function. 8. Salmon and oily fish. Oily fish such as wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, anchovies, and shellfish are rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation and reverse oxidative damage caused by high-sugar diets. Avoid farmed fish when possible, as they contain artificial additives and lower nutrient content. 9. Fermented vegetables. If you experience bloating or digestive discomfort from raw vegetables, start with fermented options like sauerkraut, kimchi, or pickles. These probiotic-rich foods improve gut health, making them easier to digest. They also contain enzymes that enhance nutrient absorption. 10. Low-carb nuts. Macadamia nuts, pecans, and Brazil nuts are low in carbs but high in fiber, helping regulate blood sugar levels. For a satisfying snack, mix these nuts together or combine them with sugar-free dark chocolate for a treat. These nuts provide essential minerals like zinc, copper, and selenium, along with healthy fats that promote satiety and reduce cravings. 11. Avocados and olive oil. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that provide long-lasting energy, especially when cutting carbs. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and avocadin B, all of which help regulate hormones and support metabolism. Extra virgin olive oil is a nutrient-dense superfood that contains anti-inflammatory compounds like oleocanthal and oleuropein, which benefit liver function. Use it for cooking or as a salad dressing. 12. Mushrooms. Mushrooms such as white button, portobello, shiitake, and oyster varieties offer a low-carb way to add nutrients to your meals. They are rich in fiber, B vitamins, and powerful antioxidants. Try adding them to soups, stir-fries, or sautéing them with herbs and butter for a nutrient-dense side dish. 13. Fresh herbs. Enhance the flavor and health benefits of your meals by incorporating fresh herbs. Options like mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme contain no starches but are loaded with antioxidants that support digestion and help balance blood sugar. 14. Spices. Don't overlook the benefits of spices in a low-carb diet. Turmeric, cloves, cinnamon, coriander seeds, black pepper, cardamom, ginger, and cayenne pepper contain plant compounds that aid liver and digestive functions. While they contain trace amounts of carbs, their nutritional benefits outweigh the minimal carb content. For even better results, consider drinking apple cider vinegar before bed. Thank you for watching. Wishing you health, happiness, and success on your wellness journey.